here we are again, doing what we love to do. We are in Randolph, New Hampshire, kind of towards northern New Hampshire, right past the presidential range. And we are doing Pine Mountain today. About a 3.5 mile hike, very easy hike for me and the wingman. Coming up on our sign for the path. Start off on a dirt road for the first half mile or so. And I believe there's a fire tower at the top. Epic views, should be great. It's a perfect day. It's in the, I'd say the mid 60s, high 50s at the peak. Big difference from the weather we've been having all summer. It's a nice cool day and it feels really good. So here's our sign probably. It's where we start to climb up. Yep, this is it. Ledge trail, going counterclockwise. It's a small loop. Yeah, 0.6 to the peak. Nice easy hike. We'll see you guys when we get some views. Right, Papa? Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
He might let you. No, he's one of those. Stick to the trail. Keep to himself. First real lookout. Really beautiful so far. Got a couple steep sections, but nothing we can't handle. We're a couple veterans now. Beautiful though. The presidential's right there. Really nice. Epic view time. Living it, loving it. Whew, this would be tough on a rainy day. Wouldn't be able to go up that. All right, continuing. Peak's only right up there. Not bad at all. This is gonna be a quick, probably an hour and a half total hike. It's on average an hour, 57 minutes, 2 hours to do. But we go at a pretty quick clip. Decent climb coming. I call these like one of your bang for your buck type hikes. It really reminds me of Maine, Acadia National Park last summer. A lot of them were like 3-4 mile hikes, but just epic views. Steep climb, but short. But just beautiful. Nice breeze right now. Chewie's loving it. That's the ledge we were looking at from below. And we're almost at the top already. So a bang for your buck hike. I don't mind those once in a while. Take a break from the big 10 miler, 11 miler ones. we're officially at the peak, and this was where the fire tower was, and there's no more. I didn't know that, but that was the peak. Yeah, we got our epic views right on that last clip. Really gorgeous. No complaining today, but had fun. That was a quick hike, real quick. I only think it took us let's look real quick. Oh geez, it took us 38 minutes. 38 minutes to get to the peak. That's what you call a warm-up mountain right here. But it is what it is. So we're gonna just make our way back. I'm gonna do the loop, complete the loop. I'm not gonna go back the way I came. That's a pretty steep descent. There was some slippery spots with some runoff from the showers yesterday. So we'll head this way. But yeah, spectacular views. Talk about bang for your buck. Like I said before, it was well worth it. It's a part of the 52 wave, so I just looked real quick, see how many I have left. I think I only have 11 left. So we're wrapping up the 52 wave. I'm hoping I can finish it in the winter. I got 3 more I'm going to be doing in the next 3-4 weeks, and that'll take us right into fall. Gorham View. Oh, look at that. We got one more view before we start climbing down. Chewie already beat me to it. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I'm glad I saw that sign. You can see a trail. Oh, wow. Now we got to see everything 360. We got those views before. Now we get to see over here. Oh, what a treat. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous day. No complaining today. Right, Bubba? Yeah, you're such a good boy. Yeah, hey, we both needed this hike. Nice, short, quick hike. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Well, that's about it for us on this this hike. The rest will be in the woods, but good way to end the hike, huh? Good treat. It's only been 45 minutes. This was a pretty quick hike, so it probably takes about 25 minutes to get down. Yeah, very good hike. Right, Bubs? Come on, let's go. There you go, boy. Oh, look at this. Place to stay. If you wanted to camp out at night. Oh, what a beautiful place to stay. I mean, you're not protected too much from the wildlife, but it's a good little shelter. Oh, look at this. Oh, what a beautiful hike. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, wake up in the morning, have a coffee, epic views. Doesn't get much better than that. Wow. How, Bub? Jeez, yeah, there's all these little off trails, and you just trails right over there. But man, I did not expect this. I did not know there was a shelter up here. That's so cool. Look at that. That's cool over there. I wonder if you can hike that. Wow, what a treat. All right, wow. What a great little hike. Come on, Bub. Keep on going. Well, I don't know if we're gonna get any more views, but that might be it. We've had a couple of little surprises. But we'll be back up in 2 weeks. 2 weeks today, actually. We'll be back up here doing an overnight. And I think we're gonna hike a couple of mountains. Yeah, so that was Chapel View. Really, whew, that was awesome. Yeah, I think this was number 40 or 41 for us on the 52 wave. So we're narrowing it down to the final 11, I think 11, 12 peaks I roughly counted before this hike. And I believe this was number 40 or 41. I gotta check again, but it's start the countdown when there's 10 left. And then we'll get back on to 67 because all those hikes are in Vermont and Maine. So I think that's gonna be, might get up to Vermont one more time this year. and I don't think I'll be able to start Maine yet until next year, but we'll see. You never know. I still got a couple months of good weather, a few months of good weather left, so maybe we can get up there and do a hike in Maine before the winter. But that's about it. I mean, what a great hike, as you can see. For a 3.5 mile total hike, you really get some good views. But that's about it for now. I'm just gonna do a quick descent, head back to the vehicle, and head home. So for me and Chewie, happy trails. See you next time. All right, Bubs? Yeah, he never waits. All right. Take care, everyone.